Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Light grey color, purple color, black color, light green color, blue color, light yellow color, light pink color, orange color, light purple color, red color, green color, pink color, sky blue color, yellow color. Let's draw the shape. Square. Circle. Star. Star. Oval. Oval. Hexagon. Sky blue color. Square. Square. Sky blue color. Pink color. Circle. Circle. Pink color. Yellow color. Star. 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 Yellow color. Green color. Oval. Oval. Green color. Purple color. Hexagon. Hexagon. Purple color. Sky blue color. Pink color. Yellow color. Green color. Purple color. Square, circle, star, oval, hexagon. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.